Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's video, Bitcoin has not shown any large moves when we smooth the price action. From the peak at 116,700 down to today's low of 114,400, where it found support at the blue horizontal line, the current price now sits near 115,000. It is trading just below the yellow descending trend line that has been in place since last Friday. Looking at the heat maps, on the 3-day view, the chart is dominated by aggressive long positions that opened over the past 24 hours, creating a hot level at 114,000. On the 1-week view, although 114,000 remains warm, stronger levels appear above, with the hottest zone at 117,000, followed by 117,700. In other developments, Michael Saylor announced that MicroStrategy has acquired another 525 Bitcoin for about $60.2 million at an average price of $114,562 per coin. As of September 14, 2025, the company now holds 638,985 Bitcoin, valued at over $47 billion. Large institutional buyers continue to accumulate. Another chart making the rounds from Timothy Peterson highlights Bitcoin's year-to-date returns from 2011 through 2025. This year stands at just 23%, making it the weakest bull market year on record. By comparison, 2011 saw gains of more than 1,500%, and 2017 delivered 280%. The data suggests a maturing market with more modest returns as adoption increases. However, historical patterns often show that the final quarter of post-halving years delivers renewed strength. Analysts in 2024 pointed to this recurring trend, suggesting that a Q4 rally remains possible even amid macroeconomic uncertainty. Adding to this momentum, Bitcoin Magazine reported that Michael Saylor will join other executives to meet with U.S. lawmakers in Washington, D.C. on September 16th. The focus is the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Bill introduced by Senator Cynthia Lummis in July 2024. The bill proposes that the U.S. Treasury acquire up to 1 million Bitcoin over 5 years as a hedge against inflation and rising debt. Combined with MicroStrategy's latest acquisition and the potential for seasonal strength, this legislative push could bring new energy into the market as year-end approaches. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter and check the links in the pinned comment for additional resources. If you found value in this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.